How would you like to install solar system on your rooftop with free money from the federal government? Hi, I'm Mohidul Saad, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. I will show you in next 2.5 minutes how you can get thousands of dollars free money from the federal government to install a solar system on your rooftop. Your neighbors are taking advantage of this opportunity and getting thousands of dollars of free money from the federal government and reducing their monthly electric bill. It is time for you to get your share of that free money and reduce your electric bill.
Let me ask you this. Do you own a home and pay electric bills? If you answered yes, you may qualify for free money. The next qualifying question you need to answer is that, would you be interested in reducing your monthly electric bill? If you answered yes to this as well, you would definitely qualify to receive free money from the federal government. If you want to significantly reduce your electric bill and get free money from the federal government, installing a solar system is your ticket to both. Having a solar system on your rooftop can serve two purposes. Number one, it saves you as much as 90% on your electric bill. And number two, it will qualify you to receive free money from the federal government. The federal government will reimburse you 30% of your solar system installation cost, which significantly reduces the cost of procuring the solar system. Basically, the federal government is helping you reduce your monthly electric bill by making the solar system affordable. If you are installing a solar system worth $20,000, the federal government will reimburse you $6,000 of that cost as tax credit, which is 30% of your total solar investment. Because of this free money, your solar system investment is now reduced to $14,000. If you add other rebates from the state, city, and municipality, your investment will be further reduced. This tax credit offer from the federal government is not going to last long and is scheduled to expire soon.
If you want to save money and the environment, please visit SolarInstallGuru.com and make an appointment for a free solar inspection today. You'll also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to SolarInstallGuru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook of $40 value for just visiting the site. The ebook titled 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost covers in depth how you can save thousands of dollars, reduce greenhouse gases, and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses covering topics such as solar savings, solar impact on the environment, various solar rebates, solar financing, and solar maintenance, to name a few. I would like you to join our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Follow us on Twitter at SolarInstGuru and like us on Facebook.com/SolarInstallGuru. Thank you.